Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you Buick 2008 year model. It's Enclave. I'm going to change the side marker, the side lamp. It's very easy and very simple to change it. I'm going to upgrade to LEDs. In order to open it, these are the two places we're going to open. We're going to put the screwdriver, we're going to pop this open, and the same thing we're going to do it here. Then we're going to open two screws, then the light gonna come out. Flathead screwdriver, we're going to put it inside and we're going to pry it open. Same thing at the bottom. We're going to put the screwdriver and we're going to pry it open just like that. Then you bring these two down and we're going to take those two screws out. And one at the bottom. Put your fingers right behind the bezel and just pull it like this and it will come out just like this. So if you will look at on the back, this is the light. We're going to turn around anti-clockwise and the bulb comes out. Take the bulb out and just pull it. And I'm going to use the LED. This is the OEM bulb and this is the LED. Insert and press it in all the way. Look at how beautiful, perfect LED light. On this one is also, if you look at the tabs, one small tab and three big ones. The small one goes on the right side and the big one. Then we're going to turn around. You cannot do it, then put a plier here and use that. And be careful, don't break the tabs. It's a plastic tab. The light has been changed to LED. And now put it back. We're going to align it. And then we're going to put the screws back. We're going to button up. And the same thing I'm going to do it on the other side. So I hope you like these LED lights and you want to check it out or you want to upgrade yours. Please check it out in the description. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.